So today we are going to learn exercise 9.1 question number 4. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground. Okay. So here one tower is given. So first we have to draw a figure. The tower on the ground which is 30 meters away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. So again we will repeat the question. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground. So top of the tower to ground is angle of elevation is given. Okay. So here angle of elevation is 30 degree, which is 30 meters away from the foot of the tower. So this point is away from the foot of the tower is 30 meters. Is it clear? Find the height of tower. So we have to find this length. Okay. A, B, C. So it means we have to find the length of AB. Okay. And BC is given 30 meters. As well as angle C is given is 30 degree. Okay. So here the value of AB is equal to height of tower is equal to question mark. BC is equal to 30 meters and angle C is equal to 30 degree. So question clear here. Now we have to use which ratio? Okay. Here opposite side of angle C is not given. So we have to find opposite side of angle C and adjacent side is given. Okay. So we have to use tan theta. Okay. So we know that tan C is equal to opposite upon adjacent side. So opposite of angle C is AB is equal to AB upon adjacent side is BC. So now put the value of angle C, AB and BC. Okay. So angle C is 30 degree. So tan 30 degree is equal to AB upon BC. AB is not given. So as it is AB upon BC is 30 meter. Now use tan 30 degree. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. Okay. So 1 upon root 3 is equal to AB upon 30. Now taking cross product, so we get root 3 AB is equal to 30. Yes or no? Now simplify. So we get AB is equal to 30 upon root 3. Yes or no? Therefore, now simplify. Here 30 is equal to, we can write 10 is 30. Okay. 10 into 3 and 3 is equal to, so we can write root 3 into root 3. So 10 into root 3 into root 3 divided by under root 3. So 1 root 3 will be cancelled out. Therefore the value of AB is equal to 10 root 3 meters. Okay. Because the value of BC is given in meter. So we get the value of AB is equal to 10 root 3 meters. Is it clear? Next question number 5. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meters above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. Find the length of the string, assuming that there is no snag in the string. Okay. So first draw figure. Here above kite is flying. Okay. So it is 60 meters above. 60 meters above. Kite is flying. The string is attached to the kite is temporarily tied to the point on the ground. So string is tied here. Inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. So here 60 degree is given. Now A, B, C. What we have to find? C. Find the length of a string. Okay. So it means we have to find the value of AC. Okay. AC is the string. Assuming that there is no slack in the string. Okay. It means is this straight line. Is it clear? Now see, here opposite side of angle C is given. Yes or no? And we have to find hypotenuse. Okay, so in which ratio opposite and hypotenuse both covered? See, sine and cosec. Yes or no? Sine and cosec. Okay, so generally we have to use sine. Okay, so first write down here AB is equals to is the height of the kite from ground. So only to write, simply we have to write down AB is equals to 60 meter. Angle C is equals to 60 degree. And find AC. So AC is equals to question mark. So we know that sine C is equals to opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite side of angle C is AB. So write down here AB upon AC, because AC is the string. Okay. So we have to find AC. Therefore, sine 60 degree is equals to, because the value of C, angle C is 60 degree is given. So write down sine 60 degree is equals to AB. AB is 60 meter upon AC. AC is because we have to find the length of AC. Now put the value of sine 60 degree. Sine 60 degree is equal to under root 3 by 2. Under root 3 by 2 is equals to 60 upon AC. Now taking cross product. So we get under root 3 AC is equals to 60 into 2. Okay, we know that 62s are 120, but don't multiply. Simply write down 60 into 2. Now factorize of 60 is 32s are, yes or no? So if we get the value of AC is equals to 60 into 2 upon root 3. So is equals to 60 is equals to, we can write 32s are. Okay. Also we have to find 30 is equals to 10 into 3, and 3 is equals to, also we can write root 3 into root 3. Okay. So is equals to, we can write 10 into root 3 into root 3 into 2 into 2 all divided by root 3. So 1 to 3 will be cancelled out. So we get 10 into 2, 20, 20 into 2, 40. So 40 root 3 meter. Therefore, length of the string. Therefore, length of string is 40 root 3 meter. Is it clear?